Hello everybody! In this video we show how to pair the LG Tone FN7 earbuds with your Android phone and how to control the earbuds with the LG Tone Free app. Before you can control the earbuds with the Tone Free app, the earbuds must be paired with the phone. To pair the earbuds, open the cover of the charging case. Make sure the earbuds are charged and are within 1 meter range of the phone. If you see the blue lamp blink, the earbuds are ready to pair. If not, press the button on the charging case about 4 seconds until the blue lamp blinks. If you see this message appear, you can use quick pairing. Just press connect and download to install the LG Tone Free app and automatically connect with the earbuds. If you do not see the message appear, go to the Bluetooth settings on your Android phone and in the devices list select the LG HBS FN7. The earbuds are now connected with the phone. If you close the cover of the charging case, the earbuds are disconnected. When you open the cover, the earbuds are connected automatically. Now you are ready to use the LG Tone Free app. You can find and install the app from the Google Play Store. Make sure the earbuds are connected, then open the LG Tone Free app. If you want to use the Find My Earbuds function, allow the app to use your location. And now we can control the earbuds. Here we can see the battery status and how to use the touchpads on the earbuds. Here we can select a pre-configured equalizer setting, or we can create a custom equalizer setting. We can switch on noise cancelling mode or switch on ambient sound mode. Here we can change the function of the touchpads on the earbuds. And here we can use the Find My Earbuds function. Here you can check the software of your earbuds. Make sure the earbuds are up to date. If you have problems to connect with the earbuds, try the following. First go to the Bluetooth settings and unpair the earbuds. Then open the charging case and reset the earbuds by holding the button on the charging case for about 10 seconds until the red lamp blinks. Then try to pair the earbuds again with your phone. Also make sure your Android phone software is up to date and the LG Tone Free app is up to date. And make sure there is no Wi-Fi router or microwave oven close to the earbuds and phone. That could disturb the Bluetooth signal. This is how you can pair and control the LG Tone FN7 earbuds with your Android phone. For more help, please contact your local LG help desk.